Last period we had seen rectification of errors before the preparation of trial balance. Rectification of errors before the preparation of trial balance. In that we studied two-sided arrays. So if it is a one-sided arrays, how we will rectify before the preparation of trial balance? So in that, no need of any journal. So if you rectify one-side errors before the preparation of trial balance, no need of any journal. Okay. So we will do sixth problem. Overcast, undercast, not posted to any one account. That is one side error. Wrong side, one account, wrong side. Either instead of debit, we wrote in the credit side. So that is one-sided errors. Okay. So if it is one-sided errors are there, so how we will rectify before the preparation of trial balance? So no need of any journal entry. Okay. So we will show that we will do the same problem with before the preparation of trial balance and after the preparation of trial balance. Okay. So first question you look at that. Rectify the following errors. So no need of any journal. Sales book overcast by rupees 700. So it is a one-sided error. Only sale, credit sale, only sales book we are recording. Only sales we recorded more. Overcast, 700 overcast. So then what we will write? So how we will write? I will show that the rectification will be done by writing the following words on which side we have to write. If it is overcast, more we wrote. So then the sales account by the following words, single note comma, what we will write? It is overcasting of sales book. So where we will write? If it is overcast, more we wrote. Sales book, more we wrote. Sales, more we wrote. So for rectify, what we will do? So first, the second question we studied. If it is less means same we will do. If it is less means same entry we will write. Here only we are telling about the sales. So if it is more means opposite we will write. Okay. So here means what we will do? Overcasting of sales book. More we credited. So what we have to do? More. So to rectify, what we have to write? Debit side we have to write. Debit side we have to write to overcasting of sales book. Sales book on the debit side of, by writing the following words, to overcasting of on the debit side of sales book. Okay, to overcasting of sales book. Okay, to overcasting of sales book. Second, purchase book overcast. Purchase book overcast. Overcast means opposite, only purchase. So what we'll do? The rectification will be done by writing the following words. So here, purchase book overcast. So if it is overcast, what we'll do? which side we will write? Debit or credit? Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Where we will write? Purchase book overcast. 500 more.
So credit.
Very good. Credit side we have to write by. If it is credit, by. If it is debit, to. By overcasting of purchase book. No need of any journal entry. On the credit side of sales book. No, purchase book. Okay, so first one, overcast sales. So sale is credit. Overcast means debit, we have to write it to overcasting on sales book. Purchase we know debit. Overcast, already I said, if it is undercast, same you have to write it. Same side. If it is overcast, opposite side. Next, third one. Sales return book overcast. Sales return book overcast. You look at that, sales return debit or credit. First we have to think. Overcast. So then the opposite. So Femina, then which side? The rectification. The rectification will be done by writing the following words. Femina, sales return overcast. So you know that sales return debit or credit?
Sir, credit.
So rectification credit only, correct. So by overcasting of sales return book. Sales return book on the credit side of, because sales return is debit, so to rectify on the credit side of sales return book. Next, D, purchase return overcast. Purchase return book overcast. First we have to look purchase return debit or credit. The rectification will be done by writing the following words. Writing the following words. Overcasting of purchase return. Overcasting of purchase return. Okay, so one thing you have to remember, purchase return. Anila, what we will do? Debit or credit? Debit. So 2. On the debit side of purchase return book. Purchase return book. Okay, if it is a one-sided error before the preparation of trial balance, no need of any journal entry. So only we have to adjust. We have to write in that which account, that account you have to write, debit or credit. Next question. rectify the following errors. Sales book undercast. Sales book undercast. You are right. The rectification will be done by writing the following words. The following words: undercasting of sales book. Undercasting of sales book. Aparna, whether debit or credit? Undercasting.
Sir, credit.
Yes. So credit side. So buy. On the credit side of sales book. So if it is undercasting, same you have to write. It is credit side you have to write. Next, purchase book undercast. The rectification will be done by writing the following words by notes or undercasting of purchase book. Undercasting of purchase book. Undercasting of purchase book. Anjo, which side?
Debit side.
Debit side. So two, undercasting of purchase book on the debit side of purchase book. Next, see return inward book. Return inward book, that is sales return. Undercast. So the rectification will be done by writing the following words. Undercasting of sales return book. Sales return book. Tomlin, which side?
Sir, credit.
You look at that sales return, debit or credit? Sales credit.
Debit.
Okay. So debit side two undercasting of on the debit side of sales return book. Next, D, return out book undercast. The rectification will be done by writing the following words. Undercasting of purchase return book. Aditya, debit or credit? Credit. On the credit side of purchase return, purchase return book. So next heading you have to write rectification of errors after the preparation of trial balance. So now we studied rectification of errors before the preparation of trial balance. Okay. So if it is after the preparation of trial balance, rectification of errors after the preparation of trial balance. Rectification of errors after the preparation of trial balance. So if you are rectifying the errors after the preparation of trial balance, then what we will do? Suppose here we are telling if one-sided errors are located, we know that it will affect the trial balance. If it is a two-sided errors, it will not affect the trial balance. Trial balance, it should be equal only. But if it is one-sided errors, it will affect the trial balance. But so after the preparation of trial balance, next we have to prepare on the basis of trial balance, we will prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So next chapter we will study that one. On this basis only we are preparing. On the basis of trial balance, we are preparing the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So if you have no time to rectify the error, we have no time to rectify this error in the trial balance, what we will do? We will open suspense account. Suspense account we will open to rectify the one-sided errors. Suppose trial balance debit side total is 1 lakh, credit side total is 85,000. So 15,000 difference is there. What we will write? We will open suspense account. In the suspense account, the credit side we will write 15,000. That is suspense account used to tally the trial balance. Okay, then after that we will rectify. So now we will open because we have no time for rectify the errors. So in that case, we will open the suspense account. Okay, but you no need to open. Sometimes majority of the students, for example, if the balance sheet is not equal, then they will write the suspense account. Okay, so then you will not get mark. Okay, so it is means here means to rectify the one-sided error. Then we will open the suspense account. You look at that. It is an imaginary account. It is a temporary for the purpose of totaling a trial balance, reconciling a trial balance. So this is done for what purpose? To avoid delay in the preparation of financial statements. That is suspense account, very important. Okay, suspense account. It is an imaginary account used to reconcile the trial balance. It is used to rectify one-sided errors. That only will affect the trial balance. Already I said, if the debit side is 1 lakh, then we will put, that is the next sentence, put a suspense account, credit side we will write 15,000. If credit side is more than the debit side, then the debit side suspense account, particularly suspense, we will write the debit side amount. That is suspense account. Okay, suspense is an imaginary account used as a temporary measure for the purpose of tallying a trial balance. So then how we will rectify the errors? Through the opening of sales account, suspense account. You look at that, these are the point. If you know that, it will be very easy. Suspense account is used to rectify only those errors which affect the trial balance, means one-sided errors. If it is a one-sided errors, then only we will open suspense account because it will only affect the trial balance. Then how to rectify? This is the point. If the account which is used to rectify it is debited, then opposite will be suspense account. Same way, if the account which is to be rectified is credited, then suspense account will be debited to complete the double entry. This is the point you have to understand. Means, suppose already I said it is a one-sided error. So what are the one-sided errors? Overcast, undercast, overcast, undercast, not posted to one account. In one account, suppose two entries, which one? Depreciation account to missionary. We posted to depreciation, but not posted to missionary. Okay? Then wrong side. In one account, instead of debit, we wrote in the credit side. That is one-sided errors. It will affect the trial balance. So I will tell. Example, sales book undercast. Sales book undercast. So to rectify the sales, what we have to do? Femina, sales book undercast. Sales book undercast. Sales, what we have to do to rectify this one? Sales, debit or credit?
Debit.
What?
Debit.
Sales,
Credit.
credit. So that rectification we did. Sales is credit. Okay? Opposite is suspense. That only. Okay? Suppose purchase book overcast. Purchase book overcast. Aparna, what will do? Purchase, debit or credit? Purchase book overcast.
Sir, purchase would be credit.
Yes, to purchase. Rectified is credited. So then debit will be suspense. Karthik, sales return undercast. Sales.
Debit.
What?
Debit.
Yes, sales return, rectification, sales return, debit. So opposite is suspense. Next, Hanna, purchase return undercast. Purchase return undercast.
Credit.
Yes, credit, purchase return. Credit, purchase return, debit is suspense. Okay, that is suspense. You look at if the account which is used to rectify it is debited, then opposite is suspense. If the account which is to be rectified is credited, then the debit will be suspense. Okay. Utility, it facilitates the preparation of financial statement. Even when the trial balance shows disagreement, then also we can prepare the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. It helps in rectifying errors by passing entries through it after the preparation of trial balance. Then it also helps in avoiding delay in preparation of financial statement. So these are the utility of suspense account. Okay, so we will do the same problem. So now we did know 6th and 7th that we will do. So but before that you have to write rectification of errors after the preparation of trial balance. Then there only we will open the suspense account. We have no time to rectify. Then we will open one imaginary account, one temporary account, that is suspense. So first we will start 6th one. Sales book overcast. Sales book overcast. Anila, you tell the journal entry. Sales book overcast. Sales book overcast, you look at that to rectify sales, what we have to do. Opposite is suspense. Sales, what we have to do. If it is sales book overcast,
Sales credit.
yes. Sales credit, I know, but here you look at the overcast. Sales overcast, more we credited. That only we are telling. More we credited. So to rectify, debit. So entry will be sales account debtor to suspense account. Sales account debtor to suspense account, being sales book overcast, now rectified. Amount same, 700. Next, B, purchase book overcast. Purchase book overcast, Anet, journal.
Credit.
Credit. So entry will be
Suspense account debtor to.
suspense account to
Say purchase.
purchase. Very good. Suspense account to purchase account. So amount 500. Okay. Being purchase book overcast. Now rectified. Next, C, sales return book overcast. Sales return book overcast. Atul, sales return book overcast.
Sir, suspense account debtor to
Yes,
sales
suspense
return.
to sales return. Being sales return overcast, now rectified. Amount 300. Next, purchase return overcast. Purchase return overcast. Pavitra, purchase return book overcast. Anjo Sibi, purchase return book overcast.
Purchase return account debtor to suspense account.
Yes. Purchase return account debtor to suspense account. Debtor to suspense account. Being purchase return book overcast, now rectified. So next, seventh, just opposite, sales book undercast. Sales book undercast. Femina. Sales book undercast. So sale is, what do you have to do? Sales undercast. Undercast means same. Which side? That same side you have to write. Where? Femina.
Credit.
Credit. So entry you tell.
Sir, credit.
A credit, correct only. So entry you tell. Then the debit will be
Sir, suspense account.
correct. Suspense account.
Suspense account debtor to sales.
Very good. Suspense account to sales account. Being sales book undercast, now rectified. $300. Next, purchase book undercast. Karthik.
Sir, debit.
So entry will be
Purchase account debtor to suspense account.
purchase account to suspense account. Being purchase book undercast, now rectified. Aparna, next one. Return inward book undercast.
Sir, sales return account debtor to suspense account.
Sales return account to suspense account. Being sales return book undercast, now rectified. Next, Anuj, return outward book undercast. Purchase return undercast.
Credit.
Yes. So entry will be suspense account to purchase return. Being purchase return undercast, now rectified. Okay. So next period we will continue the same. Okay. Thank you.